Doesn't that just look so much better? Oh, wow.
Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, also known here on YouTube as the Frugal Mama.
Use it up, wear it out, make do or do without. All right, here we go. What we are working on today in this series of use it up, wear it out, make do or do without is this purse. And it was very generously, lovingly given to us years ago by Bonnie and Liz, longtime viewers and friends of the Frugal Family. And I have very obviously loved it to death. But I am not going to give up on this purse. A, I love it. B, I get so many compliments on it. So I was like, what can I do? How can I repair this? I finally realized I was not going to be able to repair the handles, unfortunately. So then I started looking online, and here is what I found. They are just some clip straps. They're not as long as the ones that it came with, but I think they will work just fine. I had been looking at options that are like this, where you have to use this, I don't know what that's called. Is it a grommet in order to attach to this metal thing? I even looked to see if the metal thing could be opened, and it can, but then I was like, I can't guarantee I'll be able to get it back into place, and I don't have the tools to attach this kind of hardware, and I don't want to buy those tools. So I looked instead at these kinds of options. There were so many different ones. I had to make sure that I got silver so that it matches the existing hardware. And of course I wanted them to be black. I would have loved to have found some that were more like kind of cylindrical, I guess, like this, but I didn't find any, at least not any within my budget. I did find these. Let's see if we can make this fantastic. And then next time we will be working on these splits in the faux leather. I've been doing some research about repairing or at least halting the deterioration of these cracks. So definitely be subscribed. Stay tuned. We are all about getting as much life out of our stuff as we possibly can, reducing, reusing, recycling, all of that, making things last, giving them more life, and especially things that we absolutely love and enjoy, as I do with my Mickey and Minnie purse. Okay, let's cut these off. I'm hoping I can do it with just my regular scissors, and then try these on, and let's see how it goes. You'll probably recognize my dumpster salvaged scissors. I believe these are Fiskars. Oh, no, they're Singer, actually. These are Singer scissors, and I have 2 or 3 pair of them that I found in the Joann dumpsters back in the good old days when we actually could get goodies from there. Yep, perfect, perfect. Okay, how about that? And as you can see right here, yes, this can be split so that you could attach more straps that are, you know, like this, but that's not what we're doing. And that's okay. That is okay. One strap removed. Careful. You guys know how prone to accidents I am. Gotta be careful. Move my hand back here a little ways to be safe. Okay, woo! Now the new straps. Oh, I'm excited! It's such a beautiful purse, but these were just absolutely bringing it down. So here we go. Oh, so new. All right, so I was almost going to put them across this way, which you could, but it would make it harder to get into the purse. So we're going to go with the way that they had them. Of course, if I feel like changing it up, I absolutely can. Okay. Oh my goodness, it looks so much better. Feels so much better. I'm so happy. Oh my goodness. Doesn't that just look so much better? Oh, wow. So simple, and this will give it so many more years of life with these replacement straps, which are linked via an Amazon affiliate link in the video description. If you need you some new handles or anything else, when you shop through our Amazon affiliate link, you benefit not only the Frugal Family, our main channel, but also our 2 smaller channels just by shopping through there. So thank you in advance. This is fantastic. Like I said, stay tuned. We are going to be working on repairing the rest of this and some other items. And then there's Kitty, and she's washing her feet on a rainy, beautiful day, perfect day to be getting stuff done here in the house like this. What are the items that you have been reusing, repairing, recycling? Tell us all about it in the comments below, and have a wonderful day. Whoopee! Okay, that's a little silly. I don't care. Look how cute. Makes such a difference.